Recording?
Yeah.
Is it still? Be like.
As still as I
Have you
can
got
get
the
it.
head in the frame and stuff?
Yes. Asshole.
Right, welcome back. This is going to be, well, it is our first trip, our first camping trip of 2020. Everybody knows why, with the COVID and whatnot. We're heading our way to a place in what they refer to as God's own country in Yorkshire. We've got a 2-day, well, 2-night anyway, it's Friday now. It's 3:15. We've got about another 40 minutes drive. We'll get there. We're going to have a 2-night stay over at campsite, so we'll take you along with us.
That's reception, isn't it?
So you're going to go, Kelly?
Yeah. Do you want me to come with you because I want to stretch out my leg? Right, this is a shower block here.
What, are they open?
Yeah, they're open.
Oh, and the toilet block as well?
Yeah. Ladies is on the other side now. Where do I go? I go round on the tap.
Just give you a quick brief look into our big box. I think everybody who goes camping has a big box. There it is. The big box full of everything. It's a bit difficult to tighten these things up. With the camera in your hand. So we've done the very first and best rule of camping, which is make sure you've got your tent set up before you start any drinking. We just set the tent up. I didn't show you that because it's quite busy. It's quite a small campsite. A bit disappointed really, but anyhow, we're getting things together now. Camp stove's getting set up behind me. Cal's getting the airbeds set up. Riley's doing stuff. Take it into the main area. Just getting the bed set up. And next to a bunch of ladies, young ladies, so it could get quite noisy tonight after a few bottles of Prosecco, no doubt, but that's what we all come camping for. So we'll get set up. We'll get back to you in a minute. Right, it's getting a bit late now. Well, not too late, it's only 5:15, so Caitlin's going to set up the barbecue so we can get our tea on the way. And then I'm finally going to crack open a beer and chill out. I think there's a little kid going to get run over in a minute. Oh no, he's still there. Let's get on with that now.
Are you actually joking me?
Come on. Get yourself closer to the firelighter that way.
Yes, I did it. Loser!
We're just prepping some tandoori chicken skewers to go on our raging hot barbecue.
I can't even get that piece.
Well, we've had our fill now. Burgers and kebabs and burgers and stuff. We're just settling down for the evening. We're just going to go for a walk around the lake, but I'm not sure it's going to happen now because it's getting a bit too dark and
Look at my mum.
the beer's flowing. The Pringles are flowing. So, what do you think, Cal? Do you want to go for a walk or? Just going to chill out for a bit then, maybe put some tunes on, get on some more beers, and tomorrow we'll go out. We'll get a bit more footage.
Oh yeah, Annie Mac's on.
Yeah, I know, but I've no signal. Have you got a signal?
Yeah, might have a bit of signal.
Might have a bit of Annie Mac on a Friday night. Riley, you just spilled them over there. Pick them up. Good boy. Alright, we'll catch up with you after. So we've decided to do an illegal fire. Can't have fires on here, but we've seen other people doing it. So we're just having a low-key one. If anybody comes, it's a barbecue. But we're just chilling out now.
Put your fire clothes on.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I've not put mine on yet. We have specific fire clothes because we've ruined. Yeah. I've gone through like 4 or 5 pairs of shorts, t-shirts, tops, through wood spitting out and putting big burn holes in. This top I've got on, it's got burn holes all over it. So we now have specific clothes for having a fire. Yeah, it's a lot of clothes, so we don't run out. But I just thought I'd... Caitlin's bored.
Why am I on that side?
The evening's coming to an end. Probably going to end the this section of video here. Tomorrow we're going to go to the lake behind, have a walk around, maybe up to the castle, some other stuff. Alright, Chippy. On this site, it's not massively entertaining, but... Ow! That was one of the... That's why we have fire clothes. It's not massively entertaining, but one of the things they do have is they have a chippy van, comes on site at around 6 PM, and then he stays until everybody's sort of eaten everything he's got. So we're going to jump on that tomorrow, do some other things, do a bit more filming, but we may just end it here tonight. Morning. We're just waking up here now, it's about 7:30. We're going to get up, get some breakfast, and then we're going to have a look around the local area for something to do. There's no disrespect to this site, there's not really much you can do on the site. It's just basically fields. So get up, have a look, what we can do, and then we'll take you with us.
Bye, sisters.
Can't reach.
Gonna walk on and swim.
Bacon sandwich, bacon bam.
Why?
if you're from the north, west. No, in fact, if you're from Bolton. We've just come out for a quick walk around this huge lake. I'm going to try and see if we can, can't make it out, but up there there's a big castle. I think it's called Castle Howard. Yeah, as I said earlier, there's not really much to do on the site itself, it's just literally a field, so just come out for a walk to see what the area offers.
Because it's been knocked down. Oh. It's been created, and it's like.
So we just turned up at the. Well, we didn't know. We were just walking around this lake. We knew there was an adventure playground somewhere, and we were here. Except we're at the end where you're not supposed to go in. So now we've got to walk all the way back to the campsite, and then I don't know. Well, you can't walk the other way around. There's, we're going to have to go out of the park.
Can you not just walk down there?
No, we're going to have to go outside of the park, get onto the main road, go up and back around again. So we're either, I don't know if we're going to walk it or get in the van. What do you think, Cal?
Walk, go and get van?
Well,
yeah.
In order to get out to the there, yeah. I think you've got to go out of the to the main road and back round.
Why don't we walk the whole
What the hell is that? It's like a little cave thing.
Yeah. Right. Back to the van.
2 for 1. 50 quid though.
Change of tactics now, as this place is a bit further than we thought. We're going to have to get in the van and make our way up there now.
Right.
You got it, Riley?
Yeah.
Attacked by the tree.
Just think
Can you hold it?
Dad, do you not need it?
What, the umbrella? Yeah, I probably do.
Mum, we need the umbrella.
Is the gift shop the farm shop, Mum?
No, likely.
It's a gift shop.
Let's all
Farmers
gather.
walking. What?
Let's all gather.
Come on, Clem, get in.
Gather. That one. Open down and then isn't it like common?
Oh, the house is currently closed.
What's the
What, the... Oh yeah, the main thing. We can go outside it, can't we, and have a look.
wait, where's the
That's this, isn't it?
where we're at though?
Great Lake. That must be the adventure playground there, yeah. We need to go down here.
Yeah, go down and then just go like that.
Oh, Raywood. Right, it's a really grim day. What's going on there?
Toilets.
Alright. We're just coming to the castle now, on the... You can't see it behind me. Well, there is one. But we can't go in it because of COVID. Cover me up. So we're going to go have a look round it outside, and then we're going to go down to the adventure playground area. That's the lake where we are.
Yeah, you can't do that.
Yeah, we can walk round it, but we can't go inside. Just back from Howard Castle now, as you've just seen in the footage previous. It was pretty decent actually. I thought it was going to be a bit boring when you just hear castle. But yeah, we had a a bit of fun over there on that adventure playground. We're back now, and in typical British weather style, it rained the entire time that there was there. Now we've come back, the sun started to come out and it's absolutely roasting in this tent. So we're going to get a bit of dinner and then set up camp for the rest of the day. If you're like me, and when you go camping and on all your other trips you like taking your camera, you're going to struggle to keep things charged. Now I've done a video on this, you can go back and watch it, but if not, these are really handy, this particular power bank, because it has a 240 volt AC outlet which allows me to plug my charger in, camera charger, charge my batteries. Obviously you can't plug anything that's a heavy load. I think we tried put our what do we try and plug it? Yeah, it was the airbed pump, and that has too much power for it. But small powered stuff, laptops, cameras, phones, anything like that, we've charged our phones 2 or 3 times already. Really handy there. You just keep them with you. You just charge them up, bring them with you full. And I've charged 2 camera batteries and I think 5 phone charges, or 4 phone charges, and it's only took one little blip off the top. I don't know if you can see it. So yeah, really good piece of kit. So we're just chilling out for a bit in the tent. We've got a few beers flowing, and about 6 PM tonight, according to the receptionist, a chippy van comes on site. So we're going to have our tea from there tonight, hopefully, if it turns up. If not, we'll be firing the barbecue up. But yeah, we're going to get over there, get some chippy tea. So we're just waiting for your mum and brother, and we're going to head to the chippy, which is just out there. I can hear the motor running. Going to get ourselves some chips and get some scran down our neck. We just ordered our chips and Caitlin ordered sausage, and we asked if we wanted it battered, which is not really
a battered sausage.
It's not really what we're used to. It's just normally a sausage. So what they've done, just give us a number. We're number 1, and they'll shout us when it's done, and then we'll just pick it up. Good system, really. I like it.
Number 1, the best one.
Right, here we go with the. Someone just ordered. Hang on a minute, there must be like. Sausage. Well, salty them.
That one's smacked in.
It just choked me. Right, we've got something in here.
Sorry, kid. Sorry.
So we just finished our chips from the chip here. To be totally honest with you, they weren't that great, but I'm not dogging. I'm not dogging it. It was alright, but we've had better. So now I'm just going to chill out for the rest of the evening, play a bit of football. Maybe later on have one of the stealth fires that we had yesterday, because obviously you can't have fires on here as a sign.
Stealth or stealth?
Stealth, which means you do it
Yeah, I
in
know
secret.
what stealth means.
Well, why did you ask then? So anyway, we're going to get on with that. Just going to watch this. We've got a dog at the side of us here that is just hunting for this football. So yeah. Well, if we don't end it here, we'll end it a little bit later on, around the fire or whatever. So guys, that's the end of that camping trip. I didn't show you us packing up because it's boring, but true to form on our camping trips, the last day that we're leaving is normally, as you can see with the blue sky, the best day. We've got another couple of trips booked coming up in the next couple of months, so stay tuned and subscribe for that, and we'll see you on the next one.
I don't wanna know anything tonight.